going again. Come on. The gearbox is 84, 85, 83 now. That noise. Is it just tyres? I just don't know. No vibrations or anything. The passenger headrest does vibrate. It definitely differs when you go into different tires. This is a really smooth tyre I'm on now. It's just been laid, I think. That's us cruising along, slide into neutral. It doesn't change when you go into neutral, it's exactly the same. Just running along in neutral, back into drive. We do change tyres in a second here. Hopefully it's picking up the noise. Different tyre. No. No noise. Very little. Very odd.